Okay, guys, Ed here. You're watching the 125 Rods show. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. This is a Forgotten Friday. Got a couple things going on here. We got, all right, so 57 Chevy. He lost one of his, luckily I found it. One of his carburetor guys there. And we never did put the doorknobs on Dominic's Fast and Furious here. And I've got the wrong glue here. Let me get the other one. I like the Gorilla Super Glue Gel. I like that a lot. You don't get a whole lot in the bottle, but it's cool because a lot of times you only need like a little bit, and a lot of times I'll just take my my little knife there and just kind of dip it in there, and then I end up sanding my knife and getting it off there. But here's what we're going to use today. There's my favorite standby, this Gorilla Glue, and I use this for car mirrors and for doorknobs, like I'm going to do today. Here, just get my El Knifo here. Here we go. Okay, so put him over here for now. Let's cut these guys off. This is going to be kind of like, and I thought I lost these, but I found them. And then I said, well, Ed, do not lose them again. So I set them next to the car. And I think I want to, how's that going to look here? We're definitely going to need our tweezers here. Yeah, so yeah, I got through with the we got through with the awesome fire inspection. Put that there so I don't lose them. And I've been cleaning up this place like crazy. Trying to get, my New Year's resolution was to get organized. So so that's what we're doing. I've got, instead of living out of cardboard boxes now, I've got I ordered totes and stuff to put my stuff in. And well, that's looking good there, the way it is. Let's see something here though. That's so yeah. So kind of, yeah, I'm gonna trim that off a little bit. So yeah, I went for my walk. I've got, this inflammation stuff, guys. I've decided it's from salt, and everything that you eat today has salt in it. Everything. And I'm a guy that doesn't use table salt. I try not to have things with sugar, but my mom gave me this ham, right? So, and I love those, and it's really practical when you think about it. But even after I boiled it in the crock pot all day, I still had salt in it, and that goes straight to your knees, guys. It's exactly where that goes. Your body can't use it. Your body's old. It's drying up anyway. It's got enough salt in it, and then that's what happens. It goes right to your knees. Well, luckily I've got little like lock holes here that I didn't see to guide me. So this is my 1/8 inch drill bit, my use-all, right? And this is kind of like pinstriping, guys. Once you do it, you don't want to mess up, because once you do it, I'm going to do it off camera here for a second so I can get my whereabouts. And I'm just going to do this enough to get the paint off. So that's what I ended up with, just like that. you know, just enough to break the paint surface. And I got a guide on this side as well, which is really good for the model company to do that. And I got one there too, see? All right. So then the next step is take this guy, and a bottle like this will last me a long time. This glue kind of, when it dries, it expands like dried foam in a way, right? But it's like permanent dried foam, right? All right, so I've got just a tiny, all I need is a dot, right, guys? So now we take the almighty handle here. Let's see. And I want to look at my picture, make sure I get this right. Look at my car. Yeah, that's about right. All right, so put it on into my tweezers, and I'm just gonna dip it in the glue, and I gotta steady it here. She wants to move on me, trying to move on me. All right. Oh, come on, don't move on me, buddy. I think I'm gonna drill my hole a little bigger because it wants to slide around. Yeah, my handle's got a little nub on it, kind of thing, right? Oh, come on. Working with small parts. All right, and that's what we got there. So we'll that's not what we got. We dropped her. Dropped her. She's giving me a tough time. I should have left it. If it's really tough like this, you know, you may end up just using super glue after all, right? But fortunately, this one is sliding all over the place. All right, I'm going to leave it like that. I may I may end up super gluing that on. But, so while we're at it, we'll take this guy and oh man, these guys don't want to. There, we got him back on. Make sure I don't have glue all over my hands, all over the place there. There. And then we'll do the other side. And then I'll see, that'll be getting these guys ready for cases, right? As soon as I order some cases for them next. And then that'll be that deal. So we'll take this guy, grab him. Put him in here. All right, dude. All right, I'm gonna do that like that, and then I think what I will do is I'll take some. I will take some super glue afterwards and kind of glue that, because they're just moving around too much on me, right? So I'm not sure exactly how much glue I got on there. And I am missing his mirror too. Do I got his mirror on here? That would be nice. By golly, I have to find his mirror. That's interesting. I have a funny feeling I put it on a different car, maybe, huh? But yeah, so that's my Forgotten Friday episode there, guys. Really not a whole lot going on. Yeah, I had to use my my knees to steady. You know, you never have enough hands, right? So I use my legs, my hands, and everything to steady everything. So that's the spiel. Everybody have a great weekend. Again, thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'm out.